Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now today we are going to learn about the experiment force constant of the helical spring. So we will see the lab experiment with a total explanation in this video. So for this aim it is to find the force constant of a helical spring by plotting graph between load and the extension. And the apparatus required are spring, a rigid support, slotted weights, a vertical wooden scale, a fine pointer, a hook as shown here. Now see, in the actual experiment we required to use this theory. That is, force is always directly proportional to the x displacement. That is, F is equals to Kx. K is a constant of proportionality or the spring constant. That K we are going to find through this experiment. So let us see the experimental procedure through the video. Here it is a spring as shown. It is attached with the meter scale, and at the right hand side meter scale is showing by zoom it. Then slotted weights of 20 gram each we are attaching with the scale spring. Then note down the reading on the pointer of the spring on the meter scale. It is showing here, it is nearly about the 17. Then next again attach the second weight. The pointer goes down. Note down the second reading. So here we are observing that it is nearly 28. Now attach the next one. So we are observing that the readings goes to increase for every increase in the weight. Now we are decreasing the weight, and again note down the decreased weight to just verify our answer. So like this, just it is very simple attachment of the weights and the notation of the reading on the scale. So these precautions we have to take during our experiment. Follow these precautions so that your reading should not be deviate from the actual value. And according to our experiment, now we will calculate the extension, that means displacement x from this table. And when we plot the graph of load and extension, means load means represents force, extension means x, we will get like this. And from the slope of the graph, directly slope will give you the result, that is nothing but the force constant of the spring. So hope you understand this experiment. If you like our videos, subscribe our channel and share this. Thank you.